Hello and good day everybody, we meet again in this week's video. With me here today is the 2017 Honda Civic Type R FK8, or famously known as Ketam Type R. This car belongs to one of the guys in Seremban, and he is thinking to selling off this unit. Should he sell this unit? Comment below. Without further ado, let me do a quick review for this unit, including the performance test. Now, let's roll VT. Hello and good day everybody, I'm Ik from the Honda guys. I would like to announce to all of you that we just reached 500 subscribers on our YouTube channel, and we will be giving away this Samsung Watch 4 only when we reach 1000 subscribers. To join this giveaway contest, first you need to subscribe to our channel, and second, comment THG giveaway on our upcoming video, and third, share this video to your friends and families. So what are you guys waiting for? Do it now. The FK8 Civic is not a stranger to our market, as it is once sold through official channel in Malaysia. This championship white is priced at 320,000 ringgit back then, and because of its pristine condition, this particular unit is going to sell off at 275,000 ringgit only. This unit is fully imported from the Sweden, UK, and if the look are familiar, this hot hatch Civic is based on 10th generation hatchback and packed with the 2-liter turbocharged VTEC engine. The engine is the same unit as the Honda Civic FK8 Type R, which produces around 310 horsepower with a massive 400 Nm of torque. The VTEC is not kicking in anymore, as the VTEC mechanism are now solely controlling the exhaust valve to reduce the turbo lag. Even though the power is 10 horsepower down from what the European get, but at least it has been tuned to accept our RON95 fuel. The power goes to the front wheel through a 6-speed closed ratio manual gearbox with helical LSD that assists on the cornering traction. The equipment list on this Type R mirror the one that Indonesian market gets, starting with the blackout grille, a vented bonnet, the famous red Honda logo for obvious reason, as well as this vertical air curtain, which is not just for the looks but to help cooling the brake as well. Standard for the Civic Type R is the front LED headlamp as the one on the Civic FC. On the side, the car sits on the 20-inch Berliner black alloys rack with 245/30 tire, which are specially made for the car. Now, let's see the rear of the car. It is quite busy at the back here with all these aero bits and this huge spoiler. Ensure that all this accessory has its own function to provide downforce for the car in high-speed run. And as the front lamp, the rear lamp are also in LED. Where else can you find a sport car that is at the same time practical enough for family to use? Then this Civic Type R is the answer. Look at the boot space. The size is exactly the same as the Honda CT-RS, which is rated at 420 litre. Another highlight here is the trio of the asymmetric exhaust pipe. The larger pipe are gas exit ports, while the center pipe control the exhaust sound. The center pipe also double as an extra exhaust port at full throttle. Now, let's take a look inside. If you own the Honda Civic FC, you'll be familiar with the dashboard layout, which for me is pretty straightforward. How you differentiate between the FK interior with the FC interior is with this red bit on the door panel, on the steering wheel, as well as on the dashboard trim. These red bucket seats are non-branded but provide good level of comfort, mostly because of the generous use of padding. The infotainment system support Apple CarPlay and Android Auto connectivity, and it is decent decent enough to provide the information that you need, like the navigation system. You can change the drive mode through this mode selector here, and this silver shining gear knob is as you're familiar with the other Type Rs. Let's check the rear seat, shall we? Interestingly, the rear bench are less racy with its black color and the red stitching here. And the space back here is quite special for myself. As I am 180 cm tall, I have enough space for my legroom as well as my headroom. So if you have 2 or 3 kids sitting behind here, it's not an issue. It is quite comfortable even for the middle seat, even though it is slightly raised. In January this year, I've done the test drive video for the Boost Blue FK8, the only facelifted FK8 that Honda Malaysia brought in. As I said in our video in January, the FK8 is the easiest sport car for you to drive. The racing grade clutch is also quite friendly to your feet. It feels light and easy to control. Honda has also installed a rev mesh control system for the 6-speed manual gearbox. What it does is the car will auto bleed on the downshift, so you won't need to do the heel and toe. If the car does it better than me, then why not? Anyway, this rev mesh function can be switched off too. On the handling side, as with the other Type R, the handling is superb. No more torsion beam set up like the FN2 and the FK2, as that has been replaced by the independent multi-link setup. The engine used in this FK8 is the famous K20C, which is now equipped with the forced induction, the same engine that is being used in the short-lived Civic FK2. As a NA purist, I gradually start to like this turbocharged engine. First, as a Honda engine, it is easy and quite cheap to maintain. Second, the torque that the engine produces is massive, and it is useful in the twisty B road. As I mentioned earlier, the owner is thinking to sell this unit for 275,000 ringgit. Well, he hasn't made up his mind yet. But do you think the owner should sell this car? Comment below. If you are interested, you can let me know. Perhaps I can talk to the owner. I can assure you that the car is in a very good condition and the mileage is really low. Only clock 45,000 km and still have the official warranty by Honda Malaysia. So what are you guys waiting for? Contact me to know more about this car. Subscribe to this channel and comment #THG giveaway to join our giveaway contest, where you have the chance to win the Samsung Watch 4. So be our lucky subscribers. Signing off from this video, I'm Ig, the Honda guys. We are all